quite enjoyed watching the Archbishop of Canterbury pouncing around with the Pope. I mean, it's quite good fun, really. I mean, they must enjoy it. Though sometimes when you look at the faces, you wonder. But I think they must, because in a way they represent us all, don't they? Like the coming together of the long-lost families, the two sides of them. You know, they feud at weddings and funerals, and there's always Uncle Billy in the corner who's always moaning, you know, like Stephen Fry does on Twitter and Peter Tatchell. There's always the old relative who moans. But you know, it's so nice to see everybody coming together, even the miserable one in the corner. Because at the end of the day, whether we like it or not, I suppose we all belong to the same family. We might not like it, no matter what our orientation, or our religion, or even our denomination. We all belong to the same family. Having said that, I wonder if it includes cats.